technology's helped because, like Cam had mentioned, you can send information much quicker. You have a different look, but I mean that's like one facet of, I think it's one facet of it. I think one thing, the downside to that too, is I think what's getting overlooked now is the ability to communicate, right? Like people are relying on that instead of being able to have conversations, being able to lead people into different thought ideas. They're hoping that the technology can do that for them. And
Yeah.
and I think, and I hear a lot of people saying, "Oh, well, AI now is going to be able just to, it's just like talking to a real person." It's not. I mean, it's void of emotion, really, and you can tell the difference. I mean, you can see, you watch a video, you can see it when you hear a phone call. Nothing is going to replace human contact for at least none of our lifetimes. So how do we get back to that better communication, establishing relationships? Like, because remember, well, I don't remember because I wasn't alive then, but it's like information used to be transferred between generations by storytelling, and that's how people learn. And I think getting away from that makes the buying process actually hard. I think for the customer and the salesperson, you still got to communicate with people.
Yeah, but it also takes the person that's doing the selling, the self-starting that we have to do, the creativity that we've got to do. Not only are we trying to be smarter than our customers, we're trying to be smarter than our competitors, and trying to get into niches where this niche will refer you to people in their business, and then you become a part of that team. Like with my folks in eye care, they consider me a partner because of my association with their state associations, which they depend on every year to lobby with the state governments to help them improve the way they can practice medicine and make more money. And
so how you got into that? What would you say if you weighed it out? The ability to communicate or technology, or I shouldn't say I shouldn't say A or B, but what was the most important thing in that? Getting into that.
Becoming a part of that business. But when I go to an association, and because of the money that I can bring them, they really seriously appreciate it. And when they see me at meetings and CE events and that sort of thing, where they see our name on a weekly email, they appreciate the fact that I'm a part of their everyday activity. I become, and I'll have people come up to me at these various meetings and thank me for my participation in the association. So I'm a part of the team.
Yeah, yeah. That's a obviously we're I guess touching on, I guess technology used as a tool. You'd being able to communicate effectively, and then using technology as a tool is probably the way to say it, right? Instead of leaning so hard on technology that there's no communication, because without the communication, you probably couldn't have gotten into the association, right?
Yes. I notice when we have had meetings and events and so forth, the people that I like and admire and watch the way they work and so forth. This is off subject a little bit. We're in a business where it's a very competitive, There are people that are in our business who are absolute monsters, with absolute no ethics whatsoever. I see and know that our company is a very honest company, and a company that's a small company but tries to be at the absolute edge, the outer edge of the technology and what's going on, and communicating. And we're experimenting now with best ways to communicate so we can get new people who will join this business and wind up making an awfully good living. I told Chuck the other day, this business has changed my life.
How so? How so?
Oh, financial independence. I can go months without doing it. It's not going to affect my income at all. I'm in a very comfortable space. I'm also in a space now where I want to grow my income, and I know exactly how to do it. I'm working at it. I want to increase my monthly income, and I know exactly the steps that I need to take to get it done.